How are we doing, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So we are getting closer to Makers Central, and I want to make a couple of little cool pots out of chunky bits of wood like this. So we're going to be doing the small pots today. I will show you just one of them being made, but little pots like this. But on top of that, I'm going to be using some special Milliput from Milliput today. Using the metallic Milliput. Has anyone seen this before? I haven't used the metallic because it's new, brand new. And these guys will be at Makers Central, folks. And if you're a member, you will get given some of these for free. If you're not sure what I'm on about, check out the link below, the how-to membership. You won't be disappointed. Now, folks, on top of this, I will be bringing some Makers Central coins, and I will be giving these out during the show. I'm going to try and make as many as I can, or not me, the machine. But they do take a while. So just, again, come up to me and everyone can have one of these. As long as I've got enough left, I will be giving one of these out to everyone that I meet. Little Makers Central coins, pretty cool, aren't they? Look at that, so cool. All made by the X1 Carbon, happy days. So yeah, Makers Central coin, coming to a show near you. So this is what we have so far, folks. So we've just shaped this up to a little bit of a round keg. It's got a lot of sanding we need to do there. Clean that up a little bit. Probably make this a little bit smaller once we've finished. But it's looking good. So we're getting ready to part the lid off. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to probably... You can do the lid in two or three different ways, really. But what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to probably take the lid off on this one, put a tenon on here, flip it over and cut it out, hog it out this side, and do it that way around. So I'll show you that, and then we're going to open this up as well. Actually, I need to do that first. No, I don't. I'll do that afterwards. And that's where we're going to put our Milliput. Oh, yes. So I'm not sure how to use that yet, but it's going to look cool, being metallic Milliput, so it's going to look really good. I've just done the inside. I'm going to put a little bit of sand and sealer in this just to make it look a little bit jubbly. You know what I'm saying. Just finishes off the inside of the lid. I haven't gone crazy like I never do. You know, could sand this back, you know, loads, but I've done it to 240. That's enough for me. It's just a little bit of a finish for the inside. But this is going to be the inside of the lid. So that on there, put a little bit of true grit in there as well, or Yorkshire grit, whichever one you've got. True grit on me today. And then after that, if you want to put a bit of the old Sheila wax, you know what I'm saying, this is the beauty stuff. And this will make it really pop out. You'll see what I'm saying. Put this in there, we'll really crank this up now. Love the smell of this. Check it out. Okay, my little piglets. What we're going to do now, we need to make this fit is on there is. So what we need to do now is just chunk out a little bit of that chunk to try and make that fit. This is the tricky bit, because you've got to be kind of patient with it and take your time and, you know, get it all right. Otherwise, it won't fit. Right folks, so this is where we've got, so managed to get that lid fitted. Managed to get the lid fitted, well, that's not right, is it? Managed to get the lid to fit. Not badly. That still don't sound right. What is going on with me? Got a little bit of a slit there, but that's fine, because we can fill that with a little bit of Milliput possibly. But you see I've matched up the grain there as well, so that looks quite nice. And then this is where we're going to put the Milliput. Just rounded off the bottom there a little bit, quite nicely. But that fits on there quite nice. A bit tight at the moment, but that's the way I wanted it. Because, you know, we will be sanding it a little bit more inside, and that will take off a bit of the wood as well. So, but yeah, that's what we got so far. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just tap this off a little bit. There we go. So it's quite a nice little snuggy fit. Happy days. We're going to hog this out. Be nice and easy. We'll do that with a Forstner bit. One of these. Clean it out inside, and then we've done the inside. Then we just got to finish the outside. You know what I'm saying. So that's the inside done. So what we'll do now, we'll do the same as we did with the lid. We will put a bit of a sand and sealer in there, just to seal it up. Jubbly bubbly. Oh, there's the inside. That's finished there with the old Sheila wax. You know what I'm saying? Sheila's wheels. And then, yeah, I mean, that's it. So there's our lid. That should still fit on there quite nicely. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a little bit loose now, look, see. See, that's, I got that so tight on there, and it's now loose because I did put a little bit of 320 on there, polished it up a bit, and yeah, it's given a bit of a loose vibe now. Not much, but there's a little bit of a wiggle room in there. You could fix that. I could take this down a bit further and fix it, but I've finished it now. You know, it still will sit nicely, obviously, on top, but yeah. you know, still sits there, but it's not a tight fit anymore. Ugh, bummer. So the lid thing was kind of annoying me. So I did a thing off camera, sadly. So the lid thing was really annoying me because I worked really hard on trying to get it to fit, and it fitted so nice. And I finished it and polished it and everything. So off camera, just a minute ago, I sulked for a little bit. And then I thought, no, Nick. I'm not going to let it defeat me. So what I did is I shaved this back a bit and redid the, what do you call it, recess? What do you call it? No, it's not a recess, is it? The lip? I don't know, actually. I redid the lip. Yes! Oh, yes! It fits now. Oh, told you wouldn't beat me. So the inside is done now. The outside is, you know, well, it's sanded down to 120 here. So we're now going to mix up the Milliput, and then we're going to stick this in there. I don't know whether to mix it with something else and put something else in the lid or not. But what we can do now is we can take this lid off. Hey! So take the lid off, and we can now just play around now with this Milliput. It's great stuff. You just mix that part A with part B. It's basically epoxy putty, 2-part. You mix it with A and B, and then we just smash it in there. But I don't know, I say whether or not we're going to mix it with something else or not. There we go, look at this. Jubbly bubbly. So I haven't used this stuff yet, but I reckon it's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, you make up some sort of design or something, stick it in. You could just smash it in there, spread it all around, it might look cool. I don't know. Let's have a think. Right, so I've mixed that up pretty well. Now there's lots of different things that we could put into this lid. You know, so many different things. But what I've got is I've got some of this coloured, which is really cool, just some shavings that I took off of another project at some point. I don't know when that was. But I thought maybe we can mix this in, because that looks really cool, doesn't it? We mix that in to the Milliput. I don't know if it will work, or how it will work. Actually, what I might do is I might mix it into this. Let's mix it into this and see if we can make that work. How about that? This is going to be funny. So the Milliput is now dried all up. Look, looks pretty cool already. It will do. So now I'm gonna smash this back on the lathe, clean all this up jubbly bubbly, and finish this little bad boy. Stay tuned. Hey, here we go, folks. I've added in my little emblem. I've raised that up a little bit because it sits nicely, sort of, you know, when it's sat on the ground. I won't show you yet because I've just literally glued that in there. But look at the Milliput, folks. This is the metallic Milliput. As I say, these guys will be at the show. And if you're a how-to member, don't forget, come and grab yourself one of these. It's like 5 different colours as well. But that looks lovely. Really nice. I'll bring this to the show so you can have a little look. As I say, I'm not sure what to do with it yet. I might put it up for auction. Not auction, but like I'll give it away or something like that. Maybe at the end of the show on a Sunday. But look, adding in those little shavings from there. Happy days. That looks quite cool, doesn't it? But look at the shimmer on that metallic Milliput. You could see what you could do with that. Gives you some ideas of what you could do with it. It looks lovely, doesn't it? So, it should be dry now. Oh no. It's not dry yet. Anyway, it sits down like that, so you can just see underneath it. It's quite nice. So lid fits nicely now. Happy days. Can't do it with one hand because I've got the other. I'm going to marry it up a little bit over here. There we go. Lovely. It does sit down a bit further than that. There we go. But that looks beautiful. Really nice little piece. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see some of you at Maker Central. As I say, I'll be bringing this with me, along with a few other bits and pieces I've got as well. I'm going to bring some of these as well. I've got some candles that I've made up, Christmas candles. I'll make a few different ones as well. I'll bring them up to the show. Some other bits and pieces I'll bring up as well, so you can have a little look. Might sell some of these, not sure. We'll see. And don't forget our coins, folks. Lovely jubbly. We're going to be giving these away at the show as well. So, there we go. Happy days. So there it is, folks. The metallic Milliput piece. Emblem's fallen out, but it will be glued back in soon. But there we go, and it fits nicely. Oh, yes. Married up with the grain. Yes, come on. No, it didn't. So you see what happened earlier on. It did fit, and then just a bit of sanding takes off too much, and then, yeah, doesn't fit anymore. So, but there we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I say I'll be bringing this to Maker Central, and I'd say have a little look at it. I say I might be giving this away as well, so stay tuned. Not sure how to do that yet, but I might be giving it away at the show. So yeah, I thought it might be quite nice. A little memory. I hope some of you are coming to Maker Central this year. This is my last video for Maker Central 2026. I've got coins to give away as well. I'm bringing up some of my other bits and pieces as well, so you can have a look at those. There's a few things I've got to sell as well if you're interested. A few pots and stuff that I've made. But yes, it's going to be an absolutely fabulous show. If you haven't grabbed a ticket yet, please check out the ticket link below. Grab yourself a ticket. If you're a how-to member, you get loads of perks for how-to. And if you're not a how-to member, please check it out. Maybe you can sign up and come and grab some goodies. Right, folks, I will love you and leave you, and I'll look forward to seeing some of you at the show. Take care. See you soon.